Pandas. 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 TGIM. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Thank you for joining. Good morning, Pandas. Good morning. TGIM. TGIM. Nitro, welcome. Will Curtis, welcome. Holy Cross, welcome. Good morning, guys. Black Light, good morning. D1 Mammoth, good morning. Hustler Island, good morning. Mike Richardson, good morning. Happy Camper, welcome. Frozen in Motion, welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We do have news today at 10 o'clock. ISM Manufacturing PMI. Just be aware of that, Pandas. Good morning, Pandas. Good morning. How much more until 20K? You tell me. Where am I at? About 140 more to 100K. We're so close, Pandas. 20K subs. It seems like just like yesterday when I was at 10K subs and celebrated with you guys. Seriously, it seems just like yesterday. Good morning, Pandas. Good morning, good morning. We are down 762 because of this Big Mama, but hopefully the second attempt on Big Mama will be good here if we do get it, but we shall see. TGIM, guys. Thank God it's Monday. Monday. We're back live streaming with you guys. Ready to make some bamboo. Hopefully. After we got hit with that Big Mama, kind of hurts. A little bit of pain here. But hey, we'll live. We'll live. This is starting to show to be actually a pretty strong reversal off of Big Mama. I have 4 contracts set up here for a second attempt on Big Mama. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, make sure you scalp that like button. Some of you guys think it's a little too loud. What about that? How's that? So still trying to dial it in a little bit here. We do have news at 10, so please be aware. Hustler Island says, which is better, forex, options, or futures? Futures, 100%, because of prop firms. There are forex prop firms, but they won't compare to Apex. Plus, you can trade forex with futures. There's future derivatives of forex, of the main currency pairs that you have access to through Apex. No, man. What is Big Mama set up? It is when it triggers one tick above high or low of the previous day. It's basically a daily setup. We're just trying to scalp the breakout of the previous day's range. It's been very frustrating though recently, to be honest. There's gonna be a time where a lot of them will start working again, but man, the first attempts have been failing very often. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating, actually. Looks like we're about to get a trap trade here. This might be a decent trap trade to take. Our accounts are suffering because of Big Mama failing right now. The Big Mama that just failed. This is actually a decent setup for a trap trade. You see how we're above the 20 MA here? We're above the 20 MA now. This is actually a trap setup coming off the previous day's low, making a reversal setup here. A decent reversal setup, in fact. 3 pushes down. If I show you in a higher time frame, it's going to look like 3 pushes down. 1, 2, 3. Wedge bottom off a previous day's low. I may take a reversal here. I can try. Daily chart. Quick look at the daily chart. We are perhaps creating a second entry short A, B, C off the 20 EMA. We may be creating that soon. It's hard to say. It really is hard to say. We bypassed the government shutdown, Pandas. That's good news, isn't it? Especially those working in the government. Okay, we're about to set up a trap trade here. I might take this trap trade. Bouncing out the previous day's low. Getting a nice reversal setup here. Very nice reversal setup. And it looks nice. This fails second entry short here. A, B, C, A. Reversal. It's a beautiful looking reversal setup. I may take it. It's gonna happen so close to the open though. We'll see. Panda needs some ad money. Make sure you scalp that like button. We're down 762. The nice thing though, Pandas, we got BBM 90. So if we do fail these and bust these accounts, we'll start again. Even at a cheaper price than before. I'll take it. Oh, what a trigger that trap. Second entry short here. Ah, micro double bottom instead. Okay, micro double bottom. Sometimes that's all the market needs to reverse here. You start to get some serious FOMO here. But no FOMO. No hobo. Volume's just right now? Alright. I'll take it. I figured if it's too loud for you, you just lower your speaker volume, you know? That's on you. Ooh. Second just short. Trap trade. Just maybe, pandas. I may take this trap. Just to back to the previous day's close, at least. That's what you're thinking. There is news at 11. Keeps inching up, right? You see every tick just breaking the previous candle by a couple ticks here and there. This one 2 ticks. This is 1 tick right now. But the setup is beautiful if it does happen in this area. This is exactly where you want to see it happen. Fail second entry short. Right above the 20 MA. It's bouncing right off of it. That's exactly what you want to see. Emmanuel says, only had 3 hours sleep. Should I trade today? The obvious answer is no, but the other answer is yes. The obvious answer is no, but the answer is also yes. Of course. Trade sim, trade micros if you really feel like your mental function's not there. Market's open. Oh, about 10 seconds. Ooh, it's gonna be a setup right at market open. Do I want it? Ooh, market's opened. Market just opened. Okay, the initial volatility is done. Oh, I missed it by a tick. Darn it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot! Hit us! What in the world? No! Ah! Ah! What? That's why you don't take a trade at the open, pandas. You dummies. I'm just trying to teach you guys a lesson. I'm just trying to show you why you don't take a trade right at the open. Hope you guys learned your lesson, you dummies, dumbheads, silly heads. Oh my goodness. The initial like volatility ended, I thought, and so I was like, all right, let me just get in. Boy, was I wrong. Boy, was I wrong. That's why you don't enter a trade. Even though the setup looked good, it looked really good actually. Really good looking setup there, but unfortunately it doesn't work right at the market open. Big push up. Darn, take me out and then it's gonna go up, huh? It is what it is though. Easily seeing the 5-minute trying to fill the gap here. You can easily see that happening before really moving down. It's just no setup now. I mean, that was a setup, right? Fail second entry short. These setups have been doo-doo. I don't know. I mean, it looks good, but man, it's just not working. Fail second entry short just comes at a bad time. Really bad time. Right at the market open. Of course, I come in with 2 contracts to get a runner, but now my accounts are really hurting here. High or low, maybe here. Also can consider this something like a, well, break of trend to new high here. I don't know. What is this? All right. I mean, Mount Bouncer might try to fill the gap on the 5-minute. It makes sense to do that. Complete sense to do that. I don't have a setup though for it. Not yet, at least. Got a higher low setup here, but it's not one I take. Not one that I like. regardless, it still pushes up. Second entry short forming on the 10,000 tick. Second entry short here, 10,000 tick chart. 5 minutes, still trying to fill that gap. 10,000 tick. Second entry short. I don't know. We do have news dropping at 10 a.m. Okay, got a trap trade pushing upwards. Sitting on my pause here. It looks like pretty strong bullish behavior right now, but I mean, look at these candles. It's a limit order market. It is a trap trade going with trend here, but I don't know. You can easily say it's like a break of trend to new high. You can easily say that right now. Alright, it does pop up. It does give you a nice scalp already. So it is what it is. I mean, I don't know if I can take that trade ever. 10,000 tick chart hitting the 20 EMA now. 5 minute, very close to filling the gap. About 2 more points to fill the gap. Trading range indicator still marking the trading range on the 5 minute chart, which is quite beautiful. Still trying to fill the gap on the 5 minute. You know, it's very easy to fill at this point. Almost nothing stopping it to fill. Just needs like 1 more point or 1/2 more points. Now it just needs a couple ticks and 1 more tick for the gap to fill. I'll be shocked if the gap does not fill here. I'll be quite shocked. But crazier things have happened. 5 minute needs to fill the gap still by 1 tick. I believe that's 1 tick. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Yep, by 2 ticks. Needs to fill it by 2 ticks. I'll be shocked if it does not fill here. I'll be quite shocked. 1 tick. Still hasn't filled. Needs 1 more tick. Goodness gracious. Yeah, it makes sense. No setup though. The setup I wanted, I took, and it didn't work out. So it is what it is. It needs 1 more tick to fill here. Alright, there it is. Fills a gap here on 5 minute. Pretty pretty obvious it's gonna do that when you saw the strong bull bar like this. Right, it's actually by the close. Doesn't even give you any wick down here on this candle. You see there's no wick here. People just bought the close, trying to fill that gap. I should join them next time, eh? The trade I wanted was right here. I wanted that same movement, but it takes me out and then goes up. So takes you out, then goes up the way you want it to go. But this is the setup. I mean, it's a good looking setup. It's a failed second entry short. Only problem with it at this point has like 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars, and it's right at market open. So ultimately, I shouldn't have taken that trade just on that fact alone. But it is what it is, pandas. I mean, you see a setup, sometimes you just gotta take it. You get hit. Sometimes it's a mean runner. It's a nasty looking runner sometimes. Kellyanne in the house, welcome guys. Turtle Toes, welcome guys. Perhaps fail second entry short on the 10,000 tick. I would like Big Mama to trigger again because in its content, but no matter. I just need a setup. I don't have anything here. Darn. News at 10. High impact news. Look at all this FOMO here. All this FOMO that was created. That's just... How annoying is that though, pandas, right? We get the fail second entry short because we're thinking of the big reversal here, and it just triggers just to take you out and just to go back up. How annoying is that, pandas? How frustrating is that? $10,000 tick actually doesn't even trigger the second entry short to trigger the trap right after. It's a mean looking reversal right now. Bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Bottom trading range back to the top of the trading range indicator, showing us perfectly what the trading range looks like. 10,000 tick chart pushing it pretty hard above the 20 MA now. 2,000 tick is just in this tight channel, no setups whatsoever. Just gotta watch it go without you. Jeez. Good morning, guys. Psycho Clams, welcome. Jonathan, welcome. Yeah, I'm down 1,000 right now, pandas. So it is what it is. BBM 90 though. You know, we'll keep taking our shots here. Jeez, failed Big Mama and the failed reversal right afterwards. What can you do? It is what it is. It is what it is. Both setups not bad, in my opinion. We'll make it up though, pandas. Don't worry. We got it. We got this. Second entry long. Is this finally a setup that we can enter in to go long on this uptrend? Signal bar needs to be nice here. Okay, what kind of signal bar are we gonna get? Strong bull bar? Are we? It's an ugly bar. You can't even take the trade, even if it triggers. It's just an ugly looking signal bar. It's one of the worst looking ones with a big wick. The location is good though, coming off the 20 MA and also the trend line. It's not that worst. It's not the worst spot for a second entry long. Signal bar is good now. Changed. It's an inside bar though. Let's see if we can get a scalp here. Oof. It looks choppy now, pandas. What can I say? I'm gonna let it go. It just looks choppy. Got 3 overlapping bars in a row now. Straight up. If it triggers, this is not your new signal bar. I can't take it with that. Jeez. Tough. Second entry long does trigger here, but now with 4 overlapping bars in a row. Pass. Cancel. Skip it. Trap trade may trigger here. Trap trade, I don't like it because it's a first break of trend. And it looks like a strong uptrend, so I'm not looking for a short trade right now. This is a solid move up here, you know. Very small pullbacks. In fact, this is the only pullback really. At this point, you got 4 overlapping bars in a row, so you're just sitting on your pause here. News at 10. It may wait till news till we get an actual move here. Crap about a trigger here. Okay. Just sitting on my pause. Absolutely nothing to do here. Pandas, I hope you guys are doing better than me. Currently, I'm down $1,000, but hey, Pandas, this is okay. Because we got BBM 90 right now. Jeez. I mean, the setups I took, I don't think are even that bad. I took a Big Mama and I took a trap afterwards. And it's a good looking trap too. Can you blame me? Can you blame me, pandas? Yeah, you can actually. I took it at right at market open, so I should have just sat on my pause, but your boy is greedy. Your panda is greedy. Killian, negative 2300 and positive 562. Let's go. Hope the positive 562 is on a PA account. The negative 2300 is on an eval. I hope. All right, what a push up. What a push up and just nothing you can do about it. Just watch it go. Jeez, it is what it is. Hmm. Trap does trigger on a 10,000 tick chart. 10,000 tick chart. Trap trade triggers. Fail second entry short. Off the 20 MA. It looks good. It looks like a good trap here. A decent trap. Decent looking trap, in my opinion. It may not play out so nicely though. Look at this move. We actually got a ledge here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits in a row. Significant point of interest. Trap fails on a 10,000 tick. Just sick. It's just sick. That's sick, pandas. Fail trap on a 10,000 tick. It's sick. Price action has told us there's a significant price here that traders want to keep trading around. If it goes too low beneath it, they'll try to come back up to it. Simple as that. This is price action. When you get a greater than $4,000 product all hitting the exact same point in price 5 times in a row, something's up. You should pay attention to that price. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we end the day near this price because of how significant it is and how obvious they make it with price action. Give me a second entry short, I'll take it. Jeez. Give me a second entry short. Give me the second entry short. I'll take it. Ooh. Outside bar reversal, second entry short. Darn. I don't like that, but that's the second entry short I wanted. Jeez. Sorry. Sorry, Panis. Can't take it. I don't like the outside bar reversals. Even though it works out beautifully. Darn. What can you do? What can you do? Blacklight Gypsy has a red. We're all in this together, Pandas. I am not your enemy, Pandas. I'm not your enemy. We are not each other's enemy. It's like what Coolio said in Gangster's Paradise. What's his lyrics? What's the lyrics? Second entry short does trigger here like this, so ugly. So incredibly ugly. Market's about, or news about to drop 10 minutes. Kyle Luber's out. Thanks for joining. Hey, you know yourself more than anyone. You know, if you feel like your best trading comes in the first 30 minutes of trading, get out. Get out after 30 minutes. You know yourself the best. They arrested Tupac's killer? Really? Who was it? Did they really? Man charged in Tupac Shakur's 1996 shooting death. What? Has long put himself at the crime scene. Here's what we know about him. It's like he was a front seat passenger in the car. A fellow passenger fired the shots that killed Tupac. Davis was arrested in Vegas. He's the one who told him that I saw what happened, and he's the one who actually. Ooh, he tried to pull like a 200 IQ move, and it backfired. It seemed like. Mr. Pushup says, this feels like the place to say this, so I needed to get some gains back to break even before the sale ends Wednesday. Otherwise, I need to buy more evals. Friday murked me, so I traded Sunday night. It made 5 figgies. Whew. I'll take it. Let's go, Mr. Pushup. How many push-ups did you do? Did you do 5 figgies of push-ups? Keith D. What is this, pandas? Now we're melting. We're just like slowly dripping here. I hate these markets. Look at this market. Slowly, just drips upwards, slowly drips downwards. It's just untradeable in my opinion. I don't like it. I'm just waiting for Big Mama here. We've got 9 more minutes until, or 8 more minutes until news drops. It's ISM numbers. 2000, okay, fine, I'll reload. Big push down. We might get Big Mama triggering again here. I would love it. Okay, reloading historical seems like a bad idea because they ain't doing nothing. Oh boy. This is loading. I don't like when it's loading. If I have a trade up. There it is. Whew. Okay. Got it ended. Going straight back down to the bottom of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart has been on this nasty trading range all last couple days. Just dripping here. I mean, we got second attempt Big Mama. I don't know if it'll work because it's the bottom of a trading range on the 5-minute chart. Could be detrimental here. This could bust my accounts, essentially, if this doesn't work out. You live by Big Mama, you die by Big Mama. Either Big Mama loves you or she kills you. Either one. I would prefer this not to trigger before news. I don't mind triggering with news, but I would prefer it to not trigger before news because it usually just chops around for a long time. But with news, it can actually spike down a little bit here. Really push down hard. It comes back to the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. You guys are obligated to purchase it, the trading range indicator. If it comes back up to the top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart, you have to buy it. I mean, well, just no question, you just have to do it. Okay, creates a double bottom of some sort. Right. Undershoot, leading back to the overshoot, and really creates like a double bottom here, high or low double bottom here. It seems like for now. Jeez. Jeez, what did we do to you, market? Why you gotta be so bipolar? Look at this. 10,000 tick chart, bottom. Just a strong bear bar, no follow through whatsoever. Just kills all the bears who bought the low here. Whew. Scary place to be if you're a bear right now. Very scary place to be. What the bears do to you, market, I'm sorry. Jeez. Four more minutes until news drops. Do not forget this blue line here, this ledge that was created on the 2000 tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits, all in the exact same price on a $4,000 product is significant. So just remember this price, 43.23.50. Okay, failed second entry short may be setting itself up here. Like undershoot leading to the overshoot. Absolutely incredible. A, B, C, A. Something like that. Do I want to take the trap again? This time a double bottom? Uh, jeez. I guess I have to. I guess I have to try. What can I say? You gotta try. Gotta try. News is about to drop in 1/2 minutes here. Second entry short does trigger. Trap is setting itself up here. But that's a pretty strong move down. Jeez. It's a big risk now, too. News is about to drop. 30 seconds. Oh, man. What a setup. What a setup here. What is happening, pandas? I do not know. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. 10 seconds. 10 whole seconds. News drops. Ooh. What a move down. Nothing much happens, though. Okay. Just keeps spiking down. That's the news right there. That's what happens with news. What a push-up. Incredible. Whoa, 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 whoa. Comes back to the ledge. Like I mentioned, this blue line. Comes right back to the ledge. This blue line here. What we can do with it? What we can do with it? We're going right through it. Pandas. 5-minute chart. Bottom of the trading range. Back to the top of the trading range. Absolutely incredible. Bottom, top, to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, to the top. Pandas. Is there any indicator that can do that? I do not think so. By the way, the lyric I was waiting for, or I was looking for, was Coolio, Gangster's Paradise. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Pandas, I am not your enemy. Nor are any of the other pandas your enemies. We are all on the same side. We're all trying to make our bamboo. Simple as that. We don't have any enemies here. No one's trades affect another person's trades. No one's success affects another person's success. We're all on the same side. Let's work together. Yeah? Sound good? Sound great. All right. Let's get it then. Let's get it. Jeez, man. What a move. What a move. What a move. What a move. Like, there's no setup here, but what a move. Second entry long. Quite possibly. It's a little bit tricky here. Gonna overshoot. Also, first break a trend to new high. It looks bullish though. Second entry long. Just not even close to the 20 EMA. Wow. What a move up. Yep. Second entry long. Can't take it though. Outside bar reversal. Ugly signal bar. Plus not close to 20 EMA. But context wise, it kind of makes sense. This market's just wacky. What can I say? Whack attack. Jeez. I don't know, pandas. I don't know. Just watching. Just watching. It looks bullish. Looks bullish. Bullish. I'll push up. Okay. Black light just, I'm out, lost the eval. Sorry to hear that. Hey. Okay, BBM 90. I mean, that's a silver lining right now. What? Whoa. That's something was happening in my charts, but the previous day's high is very far away. Sorry to hear that, Black Light. I mean, it's never nice to lose an eval. Losing an eval is like it's like a miscarriage. I'm not trying to be funny. The imagery might be bad, but losing eval is like a miscarriage. Losing a PA is like losing a child. Well, I guess a miscarriage is still your child, but it's like a born child. It's just that much different. It does suck either way. It's a bad analogy. What can I say? I don't know. It's a bad analogy. What can I say? But it kind of makes sense, you know? TV mature contains talk about babies dying. License plate hover as how was the trip? It's going great. I'm actually on the trip right now. That might be why I'm a little loopy. It's more like losing your phone. Okay, maybe. Probably, yeah, it's probably not as significant as actually losing a child. Second entry long, good signal bar, but what am I going to do here? It all looks so terrible. It all looks terrible here. It's a fail second entry long above the 20 MA. You can't take the short trade here because you're above the 20 MA. It's a bad setup for it. But you can't go long either because you're too far away from the 20 MA. Just gotta watch it go without you either way. Jeez. I'm seeing this as an overshoot. Trap does trigger. It pushes down quickly, almost makes a perfect scalp immediately. Absolute scalp made. Trap trade here. Coming back to this blue line. If you guys remember, I talked about this blue line being significant. I made the line gold just so you guys can see how important it is. Because gold is a nice color. Let's go with gold, yeah. Let's make the width 2. So you guys won't forget. Look at that. Don't forget about this gold line. It's a golden line. We will come back to it very often today, I think. Blacklight Gypsies had a hard week. I think we can all relate. Get some words of encouragement or just sympathy for Blacklight. Give me some sympathy. Jeez, I'm down 1,000. I'm about to bust these accounts too. You hate to bust them, but at the same time, if you're gonna do it, you should do it around the time where there's a BBM 90 promo. It doesn't hurt as much, but still sucks. I mean, there's not much you can do when you gotta fail Big Mama and then a really nice reversal setup that just takes you out and then go the way you want it to go. The 2 trades I took, Big Mama fails. Then I took the reversal after that failed, and that just takes me out and then immediately shoots upwards. Jeez. Goodness gracious. Okay. Interesting. It's interesting. Nothing more to say than that. It's just interesting. I have no idea what's happening here, pandas. Second entry short. Okay. Can you take that trade? No. It's too confusing for me, pandas. I do not know. What to do, Pandas? I have no idea. I'm just watching this. Okay, second entry short. Good signal bar. Coming off the 20 MA and trend line. It's probably a decent trade to take, actually. I just don't like the fact that we're not very... We don't have enough room to the bottom of these pivots. Barely enough room to the ledge here. It looks like it might work out. Perfect scalp made. It's just enough room for a perfect scalp. Can we get the absolute scalp? Absolute scalp made, okay. So the second entry short does work out for you pretty nicely. This goal line, I'm telling you, we might end the day near that goal line. Don't forget this goal line. Hey, this is one of those days, huh? Am I gonna make any more indicators in the future? I was thinking about making a supply and demand one, but I personally don't know enough about it. I was thinking about making supply and demand. I feel like it'll be easy from what I've seen, what I've researched, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see though. Okay, can you swing trade on Apex? When you talking about like multi-day trading, no, you cannot. You have to close your trade by the 10 minutes before the market closes. And what I mean by market close, I mean like the actual close. So not the regular trading hours close, but the actual close, which is 5 p.m. Eastern time. I just got no setups here, pandas. I don't know what to do. I really hope you guys are making way more money than I am. I am struggling here. I'm really struggling to read this market as well. It's very unclear. All I can say is, pandas, on the 5-minute chart, if we come back down to the bottom of the trading range, you guys have to buy this indicator. It's just a must at this point. You have no choice. You have to buy it, or you die. Okay, decent push down. Frozen Munch says, I wish you made AKs for Sierra charts. Oof, I just never used it. Never used it. Coming back down. Jeez. Nitro Kevin, thanks for joining. Hope you enjoyed me losing a bunch of money. You know the nice thing, I think a lot of people I think a lot of you guys watch the stream just so you guys can feel better about yourselves because you can see how much money I'm losing. At least I'm doing better than Panda. That's why you guys watch the stream. Jeez. What's going on here? Strong bear bar, 5-minute chart. You're always thinking follow through, but a day like today, who knows? Truly. This gold line, I'm telling you, it's just gonna be a magnet all day. It's gold line here. It's gold line. Keeps going in and out of it. No setups here, pandas. Just watching. Just watching. Second entry short, but look at this. Breaker trends new low already happened. Justin says, I've won one trade on each of 3 accounts for a stack of bamboo worth $767, all on 2-legged pullbacks. Your content is golden. You're welcome. I wish I could do the same. I wish I could trade a 2-legged pullback as good as you, my friend. Nitro Kevin says, is it like when I become a profitable trader, it will no longer be a struggle anymore? Nah. Being a profitable trader is something earned all the time. At any moment, you can be an unprofitable trader. Really, you can only know if you're a profitable trader with hindsight bias. Looking forward, anything can happen. I mean, even though this happens, there's no setup here. I mean, you don't get to fail second entry short to even take this trap. But it just goes up without you, so... I'm just saying, this gold line, though, be a magnet today. Absolutely no setups here, pandas. It's nasty. This is probably your best setup, though, right here. But even then, it's not the best. It's not a great setup, but it's inside bar, decent signal bar, coming off the trend line, also the 20 EMA, second entry short here. You can see also as a Pikachu trade, the magenta box around the dark red one. couple things going for you there. Probably your best trade so far, in my opinion. I didn't take it because there was not enough room to the bottom of the previous pivot low. Or the pivot that began the second entry short, basically. There was not enough room there, Handus. And being as choppy as it was, I just didn't feel confident in any trade. Okay. Hmm. Looks choppy to me. Jeez, alright. Not much I can do here other than watch this just chop around. It's too difficult. It's too difficult for me. I just want Big Mama to trigger at this point. It's my only setup I feel really confident in. It'd be awesome if it triggers during stream. I would love that. These are one of those days you just want to rip your hair out. Just nothing's happening here. Making a double bottom, maybe. I mean, looking at the 5-minute chart is very obvious what kind of day it is. It's just choppy day. Trading range type day. I mean, when it looks like this, there's not much you can do other than watch. Coming back to our gold line here. I'm telling you, this gold line is home base today. Wayne Bicknell, welcome. Second entry long actually triggers on the 10,000 tick. Looks pretty wild. 10,000 tick chart. A, B, C. Good signal bar. Hmm. Let's check the news looking forward, as this does absolutely nothing today. Tomorrow we got news at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Wait, what is this? Yeah, 11 a.m. and 10 a.m. We got news tomorrow. And Wednesday, 8:15 p.m., 10 a.m. News. Thursday, 8:30 a.m. and Friday, 8:30 a.m. We actually got a lot of news this week. None of them are like super huge news events, though, in my opinion. Who knows? All right. The second entry long does actually push pretty high here. Are we gonna really break out of this trading range now? Who knows? 5-minute chart is also looking wacky. Lots of overlapping bars. Lots of confusion. Lots of money loss. Lots of accounts busted here. Coming back to our golden line. Just really can't get that far away from it, huh? This gold line, it just loves this gold line here. Coming back to our gold line here. Of course. Amazingly, the 10,000 tick chart, second entry long, actually starts to reverse a little bit here. We'll see what happens. Maybe come back to the bottom of the trading range. It may trigger Big Mama here. This could be a big move down, in my opinion. We got an M looking shape here. M for murder. M here, basically a double top. Also could be considered triple top. Jonathan, what is the gold line? The gold line is this ledge that happened around 9:40 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits all in the exact same spot, bouncing off this spot, showing us that it is an important price for traders today. It's an Al Brooks price action setup. It's kind of hard to trade, using it to your advantage. You just gotta, intuitively feel when it's far away from it. You gotta just make a trade going back towards it. This looks bearish, what can I say? It does look bearish to me. Basically got this M looking pattern here. And when you break this low here, it's gonna potentially really push this market down. Got a lower high setup. Want to push down? Almost feels like we had news at 10:30 or something. That little jolt. Almost felt like news at 10:30. Significant push down here. 5-minute chart, top of the range, back to the bottom of the trading range, pandas. What a surprise. Why aren't you buying the indicator already, huh? The question is, why haven't you already bought it? The trading range indicator on the using pure price action to identify the trading ranges. Oh, okay. I'm getting my timing wrong. Sorry. Fed does speak. Jerome Powell does speak at 11. I was reading this wrong. It's so crazy on my calendar because of the time difference. Jerome Powell will be speaking at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a big mama to trigger at this point. See what happens. I mean, it's such a strong trading range. I wouldn't be surprised if it just bounces off with this and rips my face off. I really wouldn't be surprised. Jeez. Coming back to our gold line, huh? All right. This gold line, it just loves this gold line here. Look at this strong push down. This comes right back up to our gold line. Touches it. 5-minute chart, bottom of the trading range, maybe back to the top of the trading range. Not finding any setups here right now. If it rips your face off, will we see the real face behind the panda? Perhaps. We'll be right back, pandas. Uh-oh, pandas. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. That is not what you want to see. All these accounts are going to get busted. Sayonara accounts. Second attempt on Big Mama. Looks like it's about to fail. That is not what you want to see. I mean, I should have suspected it on a big trading range day today not to take this Big Mama. Accounts are gone. Oh, well. It is what it is. BBM 90, pandas. Jeez. We're gonna end the stream there. Alright, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. And who knows? We might have a brand new PA accounts, but we'll see. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. So it is what it is. It's all good, pandas. It's all good. You live and you learn. Second attempt is usually pretty good, so it sucks. It really does suck. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. See you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9 o'clock for the pre-market, 9:50 for the mainstream. And I hope to see you guys there. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.